Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Weekly Delight. We are going to discuss the gross and fine motor milestones of a child. Right, so let's begin with it. In this session, we'll be discussing a lot of photos, videos to make it more and more easier to understand and remember as well. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. As you can see in this image, you are having a child who is holding the head, right? Who can hold the head straight with good balance. This is what is head holding. This is head holding. Head holding. When does head holding comes at? Head holding of a child comes at 3 months of age. It comes at 3 months of age, right? Next, now we have a video over here. Okay, yeah, see what you can see in this video. You can see the baby is trying to turn over, so turning over, rolling over the bed. Let me play it once again. Yeah, you can see this baby can turn over, can roll over in supine position. What is this? Rolling over. So rolling over comes at 4 to 6 months. This is called rolling over. This is the second gross motor milestone, comes at 4 to 6 months. Next, can you see how this baby is sitting? So cute. The baby is basically sitting by taking the support of his own hands. You can see this baby is taking the support of his own hands. This is called tripod sitting. Okay, so the baby is sitting with support. The baby is sitting with support. This is called tripod sitting. Tripod sitting. And this sitting with support comes at 6 months of age. Comes at 6 months of age. Next, now what can you see? The baby is sitting without taking any support of his own hands. He's clapping. He's happy that he can sit without taking support. This is sitting without support. This is sitting without support, and sitting without support comes at the age of 8 months. Comes at the age of 8 months. Okay, next, now again I have a video. Let me show you that video. See, what can you see over here? The baby is trying to move, but at the same time the chest of the baby is touching the ground. So moving forwards with chest. Okay, one sec, sorry. With chest at ground. This is called crawling. This is called crawling. And when does crawling come? Crawling comes at 8 months. Crawling comes at 8 months. Next, you are having another video. See, compare the earlier one with this new one. You can see now this baby can move slightly forwards, but now he is able to lift up his chest. So now the chest is not touching the ground. Chest not touching the ground. What is this called? This is called creeping. This is called creeping. And this creeping, that is movement without touching the ground, this comes at 10 months of age. This comes at 10 months of age. Next, now can you see this? This baby is standing, but at the same time when the baby is standing on his own feet, he is taking the support of his parents. So standing with support. When does standing with support happen? Standing with support is going to be achieved at the age of 10 months. At the age of 10 months. Okay, next, again a video. See, what is this? What is this? What you can see that the baby is holding the furniture, and with the support of the furniture, along the furniture the baby is walking. This walking along the furniture with the support of the furniture, this is called as cruising. The name itself tells you. Do you know what is a cruise? It's a big ship like thing. It is going to cruise around the boundaries, around the beach. This is what is basically seen over here also. The baby is walking with the support along the furniture. This is called cruising, and cruising comes at 11 months. It comes at 11 months. Very, very important question. Next, what is this baby doing now? This baby is standing. This baby is standing without support. This baby is standing without support. When does standing without support happen? Standing without support is going to happen at the age of 1 year, around the age of 1 year. Next, before going to any other milestone, let me add on few things over here only. When is the baby going to walk with support, and when is the baby going to walk without support? Okay, this is going to be a short question for all of you. Please comment in the chat box, we'll discuss it later. Okay, yeah. Next, again a video. Yeah, see what you can see, the baby is using 2 feet at a step. Let me repeat, this is very, very confusing. Let me repeat this video for you. This baby is climbing upstairs, but he is using both the feet at the same level, at the same stair level. This is called climbing upstairs with 2 feet. This is climbing upstairs with 2 feet. When you get climbing upstairs with 2 feet at the age of 2 years, you can remember 2 feet climbing at the age of 2 years. Next, you have this video again. Yeah, now you can see, comparing to the earlier video, you can see that now the baby is climbing with alternate feet. This is climbing with alternate feet or a single feet. So climbing upstairs with 1 feet. This is nothing but alternate climbing, alternate feet climbing upstairs. When does this alternate 1 feet climbing happens? This happens at the age of 3 years. This happens at the age of 3 years. Okay. Next, now what is this baby doing? This child is riding a tricycle. Tri में ही number है, that is 3. So you can remember that a baby can ride a tricycle at the age of 3 years. Can ride a tricycle at the age of 3 years. Okay. Next, what is this? The baby is hopping. The child is hopping. So when can a child hop? A child can hop at the age of 4 years, whereas a child can skip rope. So skipping of the rope can be achieved at the age of 5 years. At the age of 5 years. Next, now again a video. Now that's done with the gross motor milestones. Now we are going to quickly review the fine motor milestones. Okay, so the first fine motor milestone is here. What you can see over here, what you can see, the mother is trying to open the fist and place a finger inside the fist, but the baby's fist is again closing. The fingers are again closing. This is a protective reflex, a protective grasp which is achieved. This is called as palmar grasp. Okay, so what you are seeing here, you are seeing that the mother is trying to grasp. I'll show the video again. The mother is trying to grasp the her own finger into the baby's fist, but the baby's fist is closing immediately after that. This is called palmar grasp. This is called palmar grasp. And when do you get a palmar grasp? A palmar grasp will be there from age of 0 to 3 months. 0 to 3 months. Next, what can you see over here? Again a video. See, the baby is looking at his own hands and looking it with a very strange face. What is this called? This is called hand regard. This is called hand regard. When do you get hand regard? Hand regard comes at, okay, so this is going to come at 3 months, and this is going to end, this hand regard thing is going to end at 6 months of age. So approximately 3 to 6 months you are going to get hand regard. Next, now this is a photo, a simple trick to remember. Can you see the baby is holding the object with 2 hands? So holding the object with 2 hands, this is called bidextrous grasp. When the baby gets a bidextrous grasp, you can see a small trick to remember. These are 2 hands with a stick or an object in between. You can see the baby can hold with 2 hands at the age of 4 months. Next, here what the baby is doing is approaching and holding the object with a single hand. So this is unidextrous grasp, and you get unidextrous grasp at the age of 6 months. This is a trick to remember, a single hand holding the object 6 months. Okay, next, again a video. Yeah, look at this. What you can see, the baby is holding the objects in the hand, but the baby is putting the objects into the mouth. This is called mouthing. At what age do you get mouthing? You get mouthing at the age of 6 months again. So it's simple. At 0 to 3 months, palmar grasp, a reflex. At 3 to 6 months, there will be hand regard. The baby will be looking at the hand strangely. At 4 months, approaching and holding with 2 hands. At about 6 months, approaching and holding with a single hand. So bidextrous 4, unidextrous 6, and mouthing again at the 6 months of age. What is this? The baby can shift an object to the opposite hand. So shifting of objects from one hand to other is by 6 to 7 months of age. What is this? This is a nice video. I like it. So see, the parent has placed some fruit or nut like something in front of the tray. The baby is holding it with the help of the thumb and the finger. But look it very carefully. Is the baby holding it with the pulp of the fingers or with the middle and proximal phalanges? It is somewhere like this. So if you give a pen to the baby will hold like this, will not hold like a pen. This is called as immature pincer grasp. When do you get immature pincer grasp? Immature pincer grasp comes at 9 months. Then what is a pincer grasp? So pincer grasp is going to be when the baby will hold the pen or any object with the pulp of the index and thumb. This will come at the age of 1 year. Okay, next, what is this? See what this child has done. They are in a mall with the mother. The child is taking any object and throwing it back, right? So yeah, what is this child doing? This child is holding an object and throwing it back. See, he has holded the purse or pouch like something in the hand and he has thrown it other way. What is this called? Holding things and objects and throwing it away. This is called casting. And what age do we get casting? Casting comes again at the age of 1 year. Okay, next, What is this? A child came to me. I am looking for the milestones. I gave him a pen and a paper. The child has scribbled things on the paper. This is called scribbling. This is called scribbling. At what age do you get scribbling? You get scribbling at the age of 15 months. You get scribbling at the age of 15 months. Next, now certain objects and certain shapes. This is a trick to remember. You can remember this sister in a church who is wearing a very nice skirt. So this is a lady who has went to a church with a very nice skirt and a hat on the top. So this is how you can remember, right? So when will a child be able to draw a horizontal line? A child will be able to draw a horizontal line at the age of 1 year. At the age of 1 year. A circle at the age of 3 years. At the age of 3 years. A vertical line at the age of 2 years. So a horizontal line at the age of 1 year, vertical or a slanting line at the age of 2 years, a circle at the age of 3 years, then a cross, okay, this plus sign or a cross at the age of 4 years, okay, a square at the age of 4.5 years, then a triangle at the age of 5 years, and a kite. A kite can be drawn at the age of 6 years. So this is a trick to remember. A hat on the lady's head at 1 year, that is a horizontal line. A slanting or a straight line at the age of 2 years. A circle, that is the head of the lady at the age of 3 years. A square, that is the thorax of the lady, the chest of the lady at 4.5. The cross in the cross that she wears at the age of 4.5 years, and the skirt, that is the triangle, at the age of 5 years, and the feet, which are the diagonals or the kites, at the age of 6 years. Next is very, very interesting. What is this? Building blocks. Again an important question. How many blocks can he build at what age? So remember, two blocks at the age of 15 months, then 3 blocks at the age of 18 months, 6 blocks at the age of 2 years, and 7 to 9 blocks at the age of 3 years. At the age of 3 years. Okay, next is this. What is this? Yes, the baby is trying to eat, but can you see in the first image, the baby is spoiling, dropping everything. So bowl and spoon feed with dropping. So the baby can feed himself, can feed or eat himself using a bowl and a spoon, but dropping multiple things. This comes at the age of 1 year, whereas without dropping, this comes at the age of what? This comes at the age of around 18 months. Okay, so with dropping at 1 year, without dropping at 18 months. Next, what is this baby doing? Let me show you the video. This is probably the last video, I think. Yeah, see, the baby is turning pages. But tell me whether he's turning simultaneously or one by one. See, he can turn the page one by one. Okay, at the start you feel like he's turning pages simultaneously. Yes, see, he's turning the first page, but later on the baby is turning each page separately. So turning pages of a book comes at the age of 2 years. Now, everything, a very important demonstration very quickly about the gross and fine motor milestones. Let's see how this will be asked in an MCQ. So you are basically having a toddler. This is the same MCQ which I had put yesterday on the Telegram group. If you are not on the group, you can go from the link given in the description below. You are having a toddler here. So what is a toddler? Tell me, what is a toddler? So first thing, toddler. What is the toddler? 1 to 3 years of age, right? He can climb upstairs with 2 feet at a time. 2 feet at a time. What is the age? The age I told you, 2 feet, 2 years. So probably the baby is having 2 years of age. Let's read. He can draw a vertical line but not a circle. That means what? He can draw a vertical line, again 2 years. Again, so vertical line, again 2 years, right? But not a circle. That means he has not yet achieved the age of 3 years. So possibly this is a child whose age is 2 years. So now they are asking you, at the age of 2 years, how many blocks a child can build. A child can build a tower using 6 blocks. A child can build a tower using 6 blocks. That's all for today. I hope this first episode is really nice. You liked it. If you like, do like the video and comment down below what new topics you want me to do. See you on the next Monday. Bye.